Hello everyone, welcome to the series on verbal skills. Today I'm going to tell you the importance of understanding root words, suffix and prefix. People who are attempting for competitive exams, they have to learn 1500 to 2000 words in a very short span of time. So understanding the meaning of these words and their usage will help you to appear for competitive exams. So now let's look at the words. Okay, talking about the root words are not necessarily a word in front of which a prefix or suffix is added. A root word can be a combination of a prefix and a suffix as well. So let's look at the example. In the word biology, logy is the root word here. Logy means study. Bio means life. So biology is study of life. Here if you say astrology, aster means star. Logy is again study. So astrology is study of stars. Psychology. In the similar way, psych stands for mental and logy is a study. So it's a study of human brain. Hence, going forward in a sentence, when you find there is L-O-G-Y, logy, you will understand that it is talking about some kind of study. Another root word we have is phil. Phil means love. So if I say philanthropy, phil means love, anthropo means human. So philanthropy becomes love for humans, somebody who loves human beings, society, mankind. Another example, Philip. Philip is a lover of horses. And philosopher. Philosopher, again love. Sopher is wisdom. So somebody who loves wisdom, books, etc. is called a philosopher. The another word we have is tele. Tele is the root word here. Now let's add the suffix to tele. Tele means distance. So we have telephone. Phone means sound. So a sound that can be received from a far distance is a telephone. Telegraph. Telegraph is a message, probably a graft, a written document which is being received from a far distance is called a telegraph. So with tele you can use all the words which denotes that you're talking about something that has been received from a distance. Like another example, television. You're able to see TV or tele, it's like it has been recorded probably at some place and then you are able to see at your home. So that is why it is called television. Vision is something that you're able to see. The next root word is auto, a very commonly used word. Like auto means self. So if I say autograph, autograph is something that is written by themselves. That is what we want to take from all the Hollywood, Bollywood actors and the cricketers. Autobiography is something that is written by themselves about their life. Automobile is something that starts on their own, the vehicles. So all these words have root words and we have added suffix to them which has changed the meaning of the word. And it will help you to understand that what exactly is the meaning and how to derive a meaning that can only be possible if you have a sound understanding of the suffix, prefix and the words. I'm sure now you have understood how easy it is to derive a meaning from a word understanding the root word, and it will help you definitely when you're writing for your competitive exams and the vocabulary section. So thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.